A drone survey, also known as UAV aerial surveying, is a modern method of capturing accurate geospatial data using unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors. These drones capture thousands of aerial images, videos, and elevation data in a short time, covering large areas faster than traditional ground surveys. The process starts with flight planning, followed by automated drone flights. The captured data is processed using photogrammetry and GIS software to create accurate orthophotos, contour maps, 3D models, and volumetric measurements. Advanced technologies like photogrammetry, LiDAR, and GIS ensure centimetre-level accuracy for engineering, planning, and analysis. Drone surveys benefit construction companies, survey engineers, urban planners, mining industries, agriculture professionals, infrastructure developers, and government projects. Compared to traditional methods, drone surveys are faster, more accurate, cost-effective, and safer, even in hard-to-reach or hazardous areas. High-quality aerial data helps teams make better decisions, reduce project risks, and improve planning efficiency. For professional UAV and aerial drone survey services, trust MAPI IT Solutions for accurate, reliable, and scalable geospatial solutions.